My name is Beth Crandall. I am a USU Extension agent for Juab County, and today I'm going to talk to you about animal first aid. I have created these animal first aid kits for each county in Utah. So each county is going to have between 5 and 12 of these kits depending on the size of their programs. And these are for 4-H members to learn how to take a basic temperature, pulse, and respiration on their dog, as well as how to apply a basic wrap. So today I'm going to show you how to use the bag and demonstrate what the contents are inside of it. Inside each of these animal first aid kits, we have a wide variety of materials that will allow for you to take a temperature, pulse, and respiration on an animal, as well as do basic wound care and wrapping. So inside each bag, I have a list of all of the materials and supplies that are within this vet bag, and I will go through each of these. I also have a little laminated card that can be written on that has the owner's name, a phone number, a veterinarian, the veterinarian's phone number, and then animal poison control phone number. This allows for owners to be able to have quick contact information. Also, if the kit or the animal is lost and they have this kit with them, then we are able to have contact information for the owner. And again, this is laminated. It can be written on and erased if need be. So inside each of these kits, we have a stethoscope. This is an acoustic stethoscope, and it is used mostly to listen to a dog's heart. We can also listen to their lungs, gut sounds, and especially on a horse, we would like to listen to gut sounds. So this is the one that we're going to be using today, and this is one that's included in each of the kits. We also have a thermometer. This is just a basic thermometer that you would buy for a child. It's got a nice flexible tip. It's got fairly quick readings, especially when we have dogs moving around. And so that's very useful. We have exam gloves. So we like to make sure that we're wearing our exam gloves when we're working with dogs, because there's a lot of diseases that can be spread between dogs and humans. We also have some Providone Iodine prep pads. So these are just to help us clean our wounds on our animals, and then just a nice warm water can help to wipe this stuff off. We also have a triple antibiotic ointment, so if a dog has a wound that could get bacteria in it, we like to apply that. I have a non-adherent pad, so this is just a non-stick pad that will not stick to the wound. It's very similar to a Band-Aid for human medicine. Then we have some of our wrap materials. So this is just some padding that we would apply over our non-stick pad to just give a little bit of cushion to the wound. We have gauze that's kind of stretchy. It helps to prevent the wrap from being too tight or too loose. And then we have some vet wrap. So this will it's self-sticking, so it'll stick to itself and you don't need to put anything over the top of it. And I also have some bandage scissors, which will help us to cut all of our bandage material.